Hello, eco-innovators and future farmers. Welcome to Soil Books, where I explore the cutting edge of sustainable living and agriculture. I'm your name, and today I'm diving into a topic that's revolutionizing how we grow food: aquaponics. Did you know that aquaponics combines fish farming and hydroponics to create a closed-loop, eco-friendly system? By the end of this video, you'll learn why aquaponics might just be the future of sustainable agriculture. So, let's dive in. Before we dive in, let me ask you a quick question. What do you think is the biggest advantage of aquaponics? Is it saving water, growing food faster, or something else? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's break it down. Aquaponics is a game changer for sustainable agriculture, and here's why. Aquaponics is a sustainable farming method that combines aquaculture, raising fish, and hydroponics, growing plants without soil. Here's how it works. Fish produce waste, which contains ammonia. Beneficial bacteria convert the ammonia into nitrates, a form of nitrogen that plants can absorb. Plants absorb the nitrates, cleaning the water for the fish. The clean water is recirculated back to the fish tank, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. Here's why aquaponics is being called the future of sustainable agriculture. Aquaponics uses 90% less water than traditional farming because water is recirculated. Perfect for urban areas or places with poor soil quality. Plants grow up to 2 times faster because they have constant access to nutrients. You get both fresh fish and vegetables from the same system. No chemical fertilizers or pesticides are needed, making it safe for the environment. Aquaponics systems can be set up vertically, making them ideal for small spaces like rooftops or balconies. Here's how you can set up your own aquaponics system in 5 simple steps. Start with a tank that can hold at least 20 gallons of water. Use a container filled with clay pebbles or gravel for the plants. Connect the fish tank to the grow bed with a pump to circulate water. Start with hardy fish like tilapia or goldfish and fast-growing plants like lettuce or herbs. Check water quality regularly and feed the fish. The system will balance itself over time. Can aquaponics work at home? Absolutely. You can start with a small system in your backyard, balcony, or even indoors. It's a fun and rewarding way to grow your own food. So here's my question for you. What would you grow in your aquaponics system? Fish, veggies, or both? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found these aquaponics insights exciting, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Together, let's explore the future of sustainable agriculture. Also, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my future videos. Until next time, stay curious, keep innovating, and remember, the future of farming is here and it's called aquaponics. See you soon.